using Pond's lightweight moisturizer. Now lipstick ne use ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ blush. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a super quick and easy no makeup look that's perfect for the office. So without any further ado, let's get into the key to a no makeup look is a fresh skin. So first I'm starting with the lightweight moisturizer and dot and key sunscreen. So I'm using Pond's lightweight moisturizer. Instead of heavy foundation, I am using BB cream, this one, and you can use a skin tint or a lightweight foundation and blend it well for the natural finish. I am using my hand to blend it. If you need extra coverage, just dab a bit of concealer under your eyes or any spots. And dark circles under, but I'm okay with it. And cover the just BB cream. So next is the eyebrows. And eyebrows must light ippunet datra like fill manpana like onchu dark manpana, but nikla eyebrows dark itana niku skip manpoli part ana. So eyebrows Swiss Beauty eyebrow and gel eyeliner use mantondilla nenta eyeliner la barkondo eyebrows la barkondo. Yeah guys, next is the eyes. For eyes I'm keeping super simple. I just curl my lashes and apply light coat of mascara just to open up the eyes. Next is a blush. Actually blush now lipstick ne use ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ blush. ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ಶೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇತ್ತನ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೈಲೈಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಟ್ ಹೈಲೈಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ blush ಪಾಡ್ವೆ. For lips I'm using Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner. It's a Bobbi Brown. Deja Nude Brown Lipstick. Next is a bindi. So bindi paadle. Actually bindi is optional, but bindi paadna actually face mask shoktojundu 15 rupees tikkun o store tikkun, and that's it. A super easy and quick no makeup look that's perfect for the office. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.